Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is happening on the price of the Bitcoin chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So today we'll show you my open trades, how it will be possible to earn in the near future on the price of Bitcoin, what expectations I have and what trades can be taken. Let's figure it out together and discuss where the price of Bitcoin will go, so let's get started. We are on a 2-hour chart. We have a range here, which I also indicated here, and we had an equilateral triangle that broke up, and now we're going to precisely work out this goal. Let me remind you that the target for this triangle is the distance from the upper resistance boundary to the lower support boundary. We have almost reached the goal of this triangle, $31,121, and those who watched my videos and used my free analytics available to everyone could also earn money right now. Again, I remind you, if you break above this triangle and above this resistance level, then on the retest you can go long with the stop behind the highs, and everything works out here. On this move we could earn up to 9% on spot and up to 90% if you used the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange and 10th leverage. I remind you that right now I have an excellent promotion exclusively with the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. You can use special bonuses and preferences only for you. So what is included in these bonuses? After registration, you will receive the best cryptocurrency strategy, the best bonuses that BYBIT has right now, and you will also receive exclusive access to my trading closed group in Telegram. See how accurately the signals are processed. Most recently, we made 60% on a long position. We also made 62% on the high USDT currency. The transaction worked out very well. People really like it and they write about their results. So look, one of the members of our closed group sent a screenshot with his result, which shows that he was able to earn up to 55%. Here is the whole history of his transactions, and this is really cool. So friends, be sure to register on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange, then write to me in personal messages in the Telegram, and there I will give you all the information on how to get into the closed group. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. This is BitGet. It's available for all users, it's available for all countries. You can get to $50,000 bonuses. So follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment, register using my links and get your bonuses. We are moving to the 4-hour time frame. We went with the bull flag breakout scenario. Here we have such a flag. It was broken up and the target for breaking this bullish flag on the 4-hour time frame is $32,000. One thing confuses me here. We have a bearish divergence looming. The price is going up and the power of buyers is not growing. On local time frames, the buyers looks really weak now. It's quite possible that we will be able to assume a correction, which may even reach the upper limit of this bullish flag, and after that we will see $32,000. But this is a local picture. It's dangerous to open long positions locally now. I don't recommend doing this. So look at the nearest long that can be taken. This is a daily time frame. We see a correction that we recently had and an impulse for this correction. This didn't give us a position entry at $20, $24, $23,000. I also told you about this, that we can go straight up from this range, and so it happened, and the immediate target I'm considering is $35,000 on this Fibonacci grid. And if suddenly there is a correction, then it will happen in the region of $24,600, $23,400. Here in general, it will be possible to take a long position with minimal risks, but anyway, for the moment, I think that we can go up to $25,000 even from the current values. Again, I repeat that for 1, 2 or even 3 months, I tell you that I see the price of Bitcoin in the region of $35,000, $45,000 by the end of May, by the end of the second financial quarter of 2023. So far, in general, my expectations are justified. It followed the right path. I also had a video in which I said that the manipulator leads the price of Bitcoin by $35,000, $45,000. In order to redistribute Bitcoins in favor of USDT, because the BUSD collapsed, it's no longer a stable coin that is in general demand. Thus, the Binance exchange needed to redistribute its stablecoins from BUSD through Bitcoin to USDT and USDC and other stable currencies. And this manipulation is made against this background. It will be beneficial for the Binance exchange to redistribute its assets at $35,000, $45,000. And perhaps this is already happening right now because there are short positions at these marks that need to be liquidated. For example, they are located here, and this is the huge liquidity that the market has, and with the help of which the Binance cryptocurrency exchange can redistribute its assets. About these places where a lot of liquidity is collected, if we look at the daily chart, then we can clearly see on this white line then where Bitcoin is approximately now. This is the support of the entire past bear market. Bitcoin didn't fall lower in past bull rallies, and there was a very strong level here which just held on for a long time. From these levels, Bitcoin jumped up by several 100%, and last time Bitcoin rose 120% from this level, made a new high, and after that began its long fall, which has been going on for a year. And right now we're coming to these values. This is the most important level we have had in the last few months. More important was the $15,000 holding level, but even now we have an important level which is marked with the green block. Right now we are trading here and will be trading for some time. Don't think that we will leave this block in 1 or 2 days. This is a rather important zone, and here Bitcoin will be held very strongly by those who need to make $35,000, $40,000 by the end of May. Of course, this is not an exact date, perhaps it will cover the beginning or the middle of June, but since tax returns in the US are submitted at the end of May and after that companies usually go on vacation, we expect the maximum values of Bitcoin by the end of May. According to the information that I have now, I don't expect higher Bitcoin than in May of this year. Of course, everything can change, but now I think this way. And after the maximum values, we will go into a protracted accumulation zone, possibly even with overlay, because cryptocurrency exchanges as big players will need to redistribute the asset. So they will have a large number of stable coins and there will be no point in taking Bitcoin to new heights. This will be quite difficult to do because there are events in the world that are somehow not quite suitable for doing all-time high on any currency. It doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin or Tesla, shares or other company. Now in the world there are not those events to drag the price of an asset to its heights. Now the big players need to redistribute the asset. The big players for me are primarily the Binance exchange, which due to certain circumstances had to drag the price up and redistribute BUSD to other stable coins. Perhaps they will come up with a new stable coin, but most likely it will be USDT, USDC, and other stable coins that will give Binance some confidence. In general, this is an important area in which Bitcoin is now located. I also show you another chart, the main chart from which long positions were opened. Everything goes according to our scenario. Again, many months ago, I marked this zone in which we are now. Minus 0.618 level, we break through it and leave confidently to our target minus 1.618. And that's $35,733 and the closest target I can see. It's clear that it may not happen as quickly as we would like. It might even be early June, and after that we will just see $35,000. $42,779 is of course the maximum target that I have for all these growths, which we predicted back in January of this year. Congratulations to all those who have been watching me since January of this year. You are great. You were able to collect a huge amount of interest. It's really cool because that transaction, as you understand, is still open for me on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. I have already fixed part of the position in the level of 0.618 level, and I will already fix the next part at $35,000 and leave a little for $45,000 if we suddenly get there. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. Don't forget to put likes and comments. It's all for now.